Okay, let's go ahead and remove the throttle body so we could clean it. First thing to remove is this clamp here, 8mm. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the engine cover. We're going to take off this clamp right here. Okay, let's also remove this clamp here so we won't put stress on the intake hose. Okay, now let's remove the throttle body. It's 4 8mm bolts, so let's go ahead and take it off. Alright, you can just let it hang like this. You don't have to remove all the other vacuum hoses. So we'll go ahead and start cleaning it from here. Okay, get yourself a nice soft microfiber towel and some brake cleaner. And we're just going to go ahead and scrub off all the carbon buildup there. Okay, once it's all clean, make sure you just get rid of all the larger ridges, the carbon deposit ridges. And then the last step is we're gonna just clean this mating surface here with some Scotch-Brite. And we're also gonna replace the gasket. So make sure you have your new gasket on hand. Alright, it should look like this after you're done. You could go with a bit of sandpaper to get all the stubborn spots. But make sure it's nice and clean and smooth. Okay, now let's put in the new gasket. The notch here is going to line up with this notch over here. Okay, make sure it's sitting flush all the way around. Okay, now we're all done up here. Make sure everything is secure, the two clamps here and this clamp over here.